Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The dollar gained against the yen but dipped against the euro as investors waited on several key US economic data releases this week for further clues on Federal Reserve policy. While China's stimulus helped to propel the Australian dollar to a more than 19-month high. Gold eased, taking a breather after an historic rally driven by US monetary easing and heightened Middle East tensions, which put it on course for its best quarter since 2020. Spot gold was down 0.7%. Wall Street's main indexes were flat to lower in choppy trading, as investors paused after the previous week's rally and exercised caution ahead of numerous job reports and comments through the week from Federal Reserve policymakers, including Chair Jerome Powell. The last session saw the dollar rise 0.5% against the yen. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 2.8% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair gained 0.1% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.5% during the session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's monetary base at 2350 GMT, the US ISM Manufacturing Employment Index at 14 GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing PMI will be released at 14 GMT, Australia's retail sales at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT, the Dutch retail sales at 4:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.